Hi guys, welcome to this money manifesting meditation. Make sure to get into a comfortable position, and if you're interested in more tools and resources to balance your finances and all of your energy to really thrive fully in your life, then check this video description. I've got some other free meditations for you and more. So getting into that comfortable position, bringing your spine straight. So whether you're sitting up or laying down, even standing up is okay as long as your spine is straight. Taking a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Deep inhale. Visualize the air coming from the base of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, visualize that energy and breath going all the way back down to the base. Your next inhale, visualize energy coming from the earth's center up to the base of your spine, through the Muladhara, the root chakra, all the way up into the crown of your head and back down through the spine and into the earth, bringing in this symbiotic connection to the earth with the breath. Deep inhales, deep exhales, allowing that earth's energy to come through the body all the way up, and letting go of anything that's within us that's wanting to be left and given to the earth. So visualizing red here, this is the root chakra, the chakra that really encompasses our finances, our stability, our safety, our security. Seeing this beautiful ball of red energy at the base of the spine, at the pelvis, at the feet. Seeing it moving in clockwise rotation, balanced, open, and ready to receive this abundance of finances, of security, of stability. Taking deep inhale, deep exhale. Visualizing finances, money coming in as a form of energy coming through your being. Repeating the affirmation out loud or in your mind's eye. I am open to receive abundance. Taking it back to basics now, where when we live more harmoniously with the earth, Mother Nature always provides. I'm seeing these red apples on a tree that we always have access to. We're always being provided for. There's always enough for us. So visualizing this abundance that exists within nature and having a beautiful connection with nature. We must nurture nature in order to be fully nurtured and provided for and sustained on this planet. So bringing in the Hawaiian Ho'oponopono practice of repeating these words, we can be repeating them to Mother Earth to clear and balance our relationship with Mother Earth, which also helps us to clear and balance our relationship with finances and abundance and sustenance and stability and security. So repeating out loud or in your mind's eye, visualizing your relationship and connection with the earth, humanity's relationship and connection with the earth, and repeating, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Acknowledging that all financial abundance stems from having an earth that is fully capable of sustaining us. Money is simply a concept. It's this energetic exchange that we've created in our modern society. But at the foundation of our stability and security is the health and well-being of Mother Earth. So restoring this balance within Mother Earth allows us to receive this nurturing and abundance in a way that's sustainable, able to be sustained, as opposed to short-term gains. It's a long-term sustenance. So here we can activate the base chakra. If you're a woman, doing Kegels is something that actually helps to draw in this earth energy, this root chakra energy. If you're a man, essentially just sort of squeezing, almost as though you're going to stop yourself from peeing, and doing that in a way that pulsates. So we're really activating the base chakra, activating the energy to be able to draw in financial abundance, stability, security, harmony with the planet. So activating this as we're visualizing this red circle of energy moving in perfect clockwise rotation. And repeating the word thank you, so that as we're receiving financial abundance and all forms of abundance, we're being grateful for it. We're saying thank you, appreciating it. That which we appreciate multiplies. And visualizing your bank account having the money that you're wanting in it, and saying thank you. I'm open to receiving these finances, this energy. I am worthy of receiving these finances, this energy. I am worthy of living in abundance. Thank you for the abundance that exists within me and for me. Knowing that the more money that we have, the more we're able to do for the good. So money is a magnifier. For those who act in a way that is destructive, with more money, they're able to destroy more. However, if you're someone that acts in a way that's very nurturing and helpful to others and to the planet, the more money you receive, the more you're able to do to help others. So knowing that you are worthy of receiving this money, especially when you have good to do in the world. And a great way to be generating that is starting to do that good with where you are now. Operating from a space of service, giving to others, giving to the planet, giving to Mother Nature with whatever you have right now. And as we give, it opens up that space for receiving. It's this energetic flow where the more you give, the more energy is going to come for you to be able to give more and to replenish that. So getting into the giving mode as well and opening up to receive, to be able to sustain that giving. Repeating the affirmation, I am abundant. I am rich. And looking around you at all of the proof that you truly are rich. It might be through relationships that you have. It might be through anything in your life that feels rich to you. I am rich. And visualizing all the richness that exists within you and around you. I am rich. I am full. I am sustaining. I am supported. I am flourishing. I am whole. I am abundant. I am strong. I am grounded. I am stable. I do. I have. I receive. I am worthy of receiving. And also, I forgive. There may have been times in life where we, even as young children, we might have asked for something and been told no. And this can create something in our minds of not being worthy of receiving. So it's just bringing in that forgiveness as we can see things now from the perspective of an adult, bringing in forgiveness for the adults in our lives that may have shaped our reality as young children, and forgiving. I forgive. I forgive. Sending love to the little child version of you. And also sending love to the little child version of all those adults in your life that helped shape you. Everyone needs love and nurturing. And as we see ourselves as being worthy and open to receive, we allow it to flow to us. Go forth in your life seeing yourself as a magnet for money, a magnet for abundance, attracting it in. And as it comes, you do good with it, so it continues to come to you. Something as simple as giving a small portion of your income to a charity that you believe in can really help to replenish your finances. Because of course the Tao energy, this source energy, wants more energy to go towards helping people. So it knows that if you are an outlet for good, it'll continue flowing to you as long as you are appreciative and giving. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mahalo, merci, gracias, miigwech, arigato, danke. Thank you for being here. May you be happy, healthy, and free.